You probably have one of these connectors on your gas tank. On this part over here you have the regulator, and this area over here will leak. It doesn't make a tight seal here, and it will start leaking through the hole basically, you know. So there's a way to fix it, and I'm gonna show you. Let me put it on. If you get one of these gaskets, these are car gasket, but they could be any other similar gaskets. I guess the car gaskets are heavy duty, so they'll work for this application. It's just gonna put, this is number 112, and it works. It's kind of tight, and it's not big for this application, and it works really good now. It doesn't leak anymore like it used to. I hope that will help someone, and have a good day.